is a lot of accusations, pointing fingers. You did this, you did that. Sheikh Assim from Malaysia, he used to say, when you point your finger to someone, you're actually pointing 3 fingers at yourself. So when you say, you're doing this, 3 of them are pointing to you. I'm doing 3 times more. So we have to be realistic. No accusations, no interrogations, no blaming. The blaming game would never allow you to reach a conclusion. And this is scary for the women. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, "Oh, women folk, give a lot of charity, for I've seen you, the vast majority of the people of hell." The women were terrified. Why? The Prophet said, because of your ingratitude to your husbands. If he does good all of his life, but one day he slipped, he made a mistake, you would cancel everything he did well, and you say, I've never seen anything good of you. And this happens with women. It also happens with men. Men also, you never cook good, you never clean the house, but the threat came to the women because they're the weakest link. The man, unfortunately, is the strongest link. Why? When there is a conflict between a man and a woman, how difficult it is to divorce? Very easy. The man says, I divorce you. End of game. Game over. 1 week later, he marries someone younger, more beautiful, richer, and more religious. And if he's lucky, she's deaf, mute, and I don't know. But he can do that. A woman, it's much, much difficult. The supply is far less than the demand. If she's smart, she can make him wrapped around her finger. She can make him a slave by her submissiveness, by her love, by her kindness, and by looking the other way. But if she looks him eye to eye, and she feels that she can wear the pants and she can be another man, this is the complaint of most men. Sheikh, my wife is a man. Biologically, she's a woman, but I don't know who's the man in the house. Every word I say, she counters it with 2 words. I don't know why is she always have to have the last word. So, what is it that they want? Women want a real man. Women want a man who can provide for her financially, a man who puts a roof on her head, food on the table, a man who can be her rock, take real good care of her. What does a man want? 1 word. What does a man want? Peace. Unanimously. They don't want a rich woman. They don't want someone who prays night prayer for 3 hours tahajjud. They don't want someone who's a hafiz al-Quran. They just want peace. Leave me alone, for God's sake. I beg you. If she is beautiful and religious and of good lineage and wealthy, that's good. It's a plus. They want peace. This is achievable if we lower our bar a little bit and we appreciate what we have. Once there is an imbalance, we have a big problem.